Hi, Malia.
Are you going bye-bye?
No, I'm staying here.
Oh, with me?
Yes, with you. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
What did you do? What are you doing?
Mommy, color, you wrote.
Did you color?
Yes.
And you fed the dogs?
No, not for the dogs.
Did you feed them bacon?
No.
Mm. You're cute. Will you blow Mommy a kiss? Say peace.
1, 2. What did you do for 5? I'm gonna look back.